Hello everyone and welcome to a new video on the channel. In the previous video you saw that nothing did work like we would have it. Nothing did work like intended and nothing did work like anticipated. And the diagnosis was that there was an empty battery in here. And the Land Rover said that the smart key wasn't detected. So we ordered new batteries, and I'm going to put a new one in this key and in the other key also, in the spare key. And then we are going to try that video again to see if it works. Stay tuned. So, if you use these batteries, you never can take them with bare hands because the human body is an electrical conductor, and if you take the battery like this, you make a short, thus giving it less power and less life of the battery. That's not a good thing. Another thing is that the fingers have some oil, human oil, and that is some kind of insulator, and it will help oxidate those positive and negative sides of the battery. So we will have to use some gloves to do that. To put in a new battery in the fob key, you just have to push this button and then pull out this side. Let's try it. So that nearly worked. Oh, that's the wrong side. That's the side of the key. See? That's the side of the key. So, to get to the battery, you first look here. There is a sign of a key, so it is not that side that you will have to open, it is this side. And on the opposite side of where the key is hanging. So, you push this button here. This one you can push down, and then this opens here, and then you can take out this plastic holder where the battery sits. See? With the positive side down. So with the new battery here, put it in the holder. First, that one has to come out. Positive side down. And then we have to slide it inside. Click. And close the key. Click. That is that. So, since it didn't work with the remote, we will do it with the gap tool. So we are going to do it with the gap tool and push it to go up. See how it goes up. So when the trailer was above the hook, it was now connected. And now we are going back to standard height. And it lowers. So when you come to it with a remote, you can always do it with the gap tool. Thank you all for watching. Find us on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook. And I will see you in the next one. Peace.